Hey everyone, it's Joey from the Wildwood Video Archive and the Wildwood Bulldog Facebook page, and today we're in Cape May because for a while now we've been doing a story about the Avalon house, and for those who don't know, the long story short of it is it's a house that was built in 1895, and pretty much the land itself was sold. The house was historic. A family came in to save the house. They stored it from June until about probably the end of February, where they finally bought land in Cape May and brought it all the way to Cape May about a week ago. And wanted to give you guys a quick update about what the construction looks like so far. Before we do that, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. It's a little windy, so I apologize if you can't hear me, so I'll put subtitles on the bottom. So as you can see, the house is laying on these wooden planks until they could build the foundation around it. And you can tell that part of the house is still missing here and the roof plus the steeple. And that's just because you can't stack that until you have a foundation on the bottom, which you can tell from the concrete work. Let me try to click over here. Tell from the concrete work, house is gonna come all the way out here, and there's a foundation over there, where they'll have to put the bricks and stack it until they can build on top of it. You can also tell from the foundation that they laid, it looks like they're going to extend the house out to here. You can see the piece goes out this way and out that way, and that's where the house ends. I know there's a little piece here that needs to come out, but they're going to make the house even bigger. It's going to be really nice once they're done. Now, I don't want to get too close or go under the house because it's still very dangerous. It's very windy today. We're at 33 miles per hour. Not to say it's not secure, but you never know. Always want to play it safe. But I want to know, what do you guys think about this? Isn't this cool that they were able to save some history? Now, if you don't know anything about the background of this story, I went ahead and put a link in the description below that you can check it out. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's an old house that they're saving. They brought it to the best place. Cape May is the best place for this. So I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys have a great day. I'll see you later.